Hi, I'm Harshini and this is my husband Vinay. Our doctor is Mrs. Bhargavi under Lata guidance. We are very happy with the way she treated me and the way she took care of me in labor or the entire process which we have gone through is very, it is a beautiful experience and she made it very beautiful as well. So we are very happy with the entire process which went throughout this journey.
So basically, the reason of choosing Sagar Chandrama mostly was they were actually promoting natural birthing rather than the modern birthing or C-section or whatever. So we thought, why not do it in that way, or why not be it natural? So, and also the facilities are modern, yet they follow old age practices kind of thing, but yet the things are very modern and very good here. And even the facility, we had taken a birthing suit here, so where the labor happened at the suit itself, which was very helpful for her as well, and us to easily deliver the baby, and we didn't have to move around a lot of places, and all of them were set up here, and everything happened just like that. Though she was suffering through pain and all those things, it was a very joyful moment for us to welcome our little one at this facility. They were very cooperative from the day we entered. We had a good coordination from the hospital team and even the facilities teams and everyone. So they did a really good job, and we are more than happy. We are more than happy to.
Sagar Chandrama has to be suggested to everyone, and because it's natural, everything is natural process. Majorly for the natural birthing and natural process is what Sagar Chandrama is. The WMN team under Lata Venkatraman are like the best, is what I feel.
We had one birthing nurse, Devi.
Yeah, Devi.
Yeah. So she was very supportive. So she was there throughout like the entire 4 hours with Harshini, monitoring the baby heartbeats, motivating her, keeping her comfortable. So that we didn't actually get a hospital kind of an environment. We mostly got a family kind of an environment where they took care of us really good.
She was very good. She was so supportive. I think in that moment, I don't think any nurse or others will be so friendly or encouraging. But she was very supportive with me. She was handling me very well though I was shouting. So I think she's very good. She was very good. Sagar Chandrama is something homely, not too commercial. So that is where we felt this is best place and this is nice. Though we have a lot of modern hospitals and everything, but Sagar
It
Chandrama
actually didn't feel as like a hospital basically.
it was so homely. So I think that is the reason everything went on natural process and natural body. So it is very good. That is the main reason, because we felt very homely, not too commercial.
Thank you, Sagar.
Thank you, Sagar.